Okay, I'm working on a 2008 Mazda Tribute here. Has the 3.0 liter V6, and I wanted to show you where the PCV valve is located on this. Now, as you can see, I've got the intakes off. I've been replacing the upper and lower intake gaskets. If you come back here to the back, you're going to find a hose, or piece of hose. Looks like this. It's got a little green clip. You have to pull that. As you pull that, it'll release off of there. And this thing, you can use a crescent. It has a little thing it sets down into there, so you have to kind of pick up on that a little bit to get it to turn. But you can use a crescent wrench, because at first it's going to be rather tight. So you can just get back here with one of these, get a hold of that square part, give it a quarter of a turn, and just take it up and out of there. Now you can see this one here is still clicking and shaking, so it's good, but as a part of the maintenance we're going to be replacing this anyway. So we're going to go ahead and get the new one and slap it in here. Okay, so here's the PCV. This is actually like $19 with tax. Usually these are only like $6 or so, but for whatever reason this one's kind of expensive. Okay, and in a comparison it looks exactly like the old one, and it has that little lock piece that sits down in that groove as well. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get this into place here. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and so it just turns like a quarter of a turn. Get it. And we may need to put a little oil. This is a new O-ring and it's pretty tight. We'll put a little oil on it. All right, so I think we're gonna have to get our little crescent over here, because it is really hard to turn by hand here, but we're going to try it. Okay, now watch that little lock right there. So we just have a little bit farther to go. There we go. See, that locks it right down into place there. So when you go to take this out, you'll have to wiggle that thing up to get it to pop up and over that little slot there. Okay, now this piece just pops onto the back of the intake there, so we just need to pull that. And that will lock that down in place. Okay, so that's going to do it on replacing this old PCV valve, and it's just a good maintenance to do if you're already in here doing some work, more especially. So that's going to do it. Pretty easy project, and if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. As always, I invite you to subscribe, and thanks for watching.